I'd strongly recommend Blackpurl to our peer dealers, largely due to the fact that it allows you to integrate world-class applications. I would strongly suggest getting on board Shopify or another e-commerce provider, because the future is in that dual-level delivery of delivering a world-class experience in store as well as a world-class experience online. If you're not able to do both, then you probably need to start looking for a new job. Shopify is a world-class e-commerce platform for small to medium enterprise. They are how we compete with the likes of my old company, Amazon. In the transition over, we wanted to have full integration. So prior to shifting to Blackpurl and Shopify, we had been using Shopify, but we were running two inventory systems. We had our inventory that you can see behind me, and then we had our e-commerce inventory. Now with the complete full integration between Blackpurl and Shopify, we have one inventory system. So if you buy something in store, it's immediately taken off Shopify. If you buy something on Shopify, it's immediately taken off the floor inventory. A fully integrated system that previously was unavailable unless you were willing to spend millions of dollars to achieve it. Our old DMS package handled everything. So I would probably describe it as a jack of all trades and master of none. And where we've moved to now is we've got best in class in every category, best in class core with best in class plugin, accounting, e-commerce, and marketing modules. From our understanding, we put a lot of time and research into making sure we make the right decision. Nobody else is offering this same level of capability at this cost. It is just simply not available anywhere else. And we're not a particularly large dealership. Compared to large metro dealers in North America and Europe, we're pretty small, but we absolutely blow them away in terms of our digital capabilities. We can manage customers nationwide from this footprint as if we are a much larger business than we are. And the results we've gotten for it have been absolutely massive. So the juice has definitely been worth the squeeze. The time and effort that we've put into this and the investment we've made in it has paid for itself over and over already. It's one of the best things we've ever done. Probably the big thing to share with folks is you do not need to be a software engineer to make this transition. In fact, it'll probably be easier to use than what your current DMS is. It helps to understand technology and where we're going in big picture. We are seeing massive shift, tectonic shift from traditional retail to online e-com and a lot of hybrid in between. And that's where we think the rubber meets the road for us. We both do in-store as well as e-com. I think anybody who's in a similar position to us with a traditional dealership needs to be looking very hard at trying to make that transition over to a digital first system. It's something that we need to be world-class both at in-store as well as online digital delivery for our customers. And it is absolutely doable even for a fairly small dealership.